Hi, hope you all enjoyed today's trading session. To begin with, let's start with a disclaimer. This is completely an educational video. So let me begin with post-market analysis of today's Nifty trade. Nifty opened gap up. As we can see here, I have drawn the first 15 minutes high and low, which are at 17,336 on the higher side and 17,269 on the lower side. As I said yesterday, the market opened and it took the market above 17,291. So 17,291, if we would have taken a trade on the third candle, the stop loss is very big on the third candle. So that is not the right place to take a trade. And comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11th candle. Even that candle is also, the range is very big. And after that, around 11 o'clock also, we had an opportunity to initiate a trade. But even there, the complete range on a 5-minute time frame, it was too big. And there was one more opportunity at close to 12 o'clock. That was a fantastic opportunity to earn money. It just crossed above 21 EMA. It bounced back. It took a support at 21 EMA, and that candle high, if you would have taken a trade at that point, then it was a easy 30-point trade on in the money option. Or we can see here, it was almost 17,330 till 17,390, 330 to 390, a total of 60 points on future. So that was a fantastic trade of the day. Apart from that, the market was complete sideways. As said yesterday, I was expecting a sideways market, so that happened. But one trade of 60 points was available around 11:40. Please subscribe this YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Please like it and comment in the comment box. Let's begin the analysis for the day. Call open interest is 12,11,499 and put open interest is 7,85,061. So put to call ratio is 0.65. This PCR ratio is on the lower end. It's very low. It has to be somewhere around 1.1, 1.2. So as PCR is very low, we can expect the market to move upwards. And also let's analyze the FII and DII data. Foreign institutional investors bought for 6,014 crores and sold for 9,638 crores. FIIs, the selling pressure was more. So DII bought for 9,167 crores and they sold for 5,518 crores. So here it was 3,648 crores on the buy side. As per this data, the buying and selling was balanced. There is no imbalance here. So it proved today's market was complete sideways. However, if we go to the chart, today's chart, and we can see the CPR for tomorrow is very narrow. It's a narrow CPR. So we can expect a trending market tomorrow. The resistance for tomorrow is 17,412 and support is 17,266. If market breaks the resistance of 17,412, an easy 100 points gain we can see, and it's all the same on the support side also. As we can see here, on a weekly time frame, it's on an important support zone. So the market has to move on upside on a weekly time frame. That's what the chart says. On daily time frame chart, we see both the EMAs are together. Exponential moving averages are attached together, and on an hourly time frame, 50 EMA is acting as a resistance. It is not allowing the market to go up. So as tomorrow is a budget day, I want you all to be careful. It will be very volatile. As it is now, the market has the volatility index is more. It's very very volatile market. So please save your money. Either you look for a trade on a buy side or don't trade. And the last option is, even if you trade with a strict stop loss. Take care of your money. If you can't trade tomorrow, you can trade day after. Not to worry about the trading. Every day we can make money. Kindly subscribe for this YouTube channel